Hey everyone, today we're at the Lodge by Hilton at Gulf Shore State Park in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to do a quick room tour. Here we go. Today's room tour is the 2 bunk beds, Gulf front balcony view. And we decided to grab this room because, well, we thought it would be fun for the family, and it absolutely was. This room sleeps up to 4 people. It has 2 sets of bunk beds. It was almost like we were having a camp out. The kids enjoyed it, and let's be honest, we did too. It was a lot of fun. If you were worried about charging electronics, don't worry. There were plenty plugs on each of the bunks, but also USB ports as well. There's no reason you shouldn't be able to charge all of your electronics. There were a couple drawers just underneath the clock and lamp there where you could throw some things in there as well. A nice little table there with a couple chairs and then a phone and a reading lamp. You got your ice bucket there. Also, the room provided a 50-inch TV, which we actually didn't watch because, well, you'll see here in a second, the view was incredible. Let's go check out that view. We never got tired of that. Of course, we love the ocean. The Gulf of Mexico is absolutely stunning. We spent a lot of time out on this balcony. We haven't normally seen something like this, but a place where you can also recycle and put your trash. A little place where you have your coffee and tea, and USB ports are there for charging as well. A personal safe and a mini fridge. In the closet, provided your regular iron and ironing board. Also a space where you can put luggage, and there were hangers in there as well. Standard bathroom, super clean, has the shower and bath combination, which is great for kids, but also hair dryer and plenty of plugs if you need to plug anything else in. Also, they provide their own shampoo and conditioner. Smelled great. If you've enjoyed this content, we'd like for you to hit that like, subscribe button. We love all things travel, and we like to help people. So if you have any questions, feel free to do so. But again, thank you for joining us. We'll put some links of the full tour of the lodge there at Gulf Shores. Thank you for watching.